Here I am at Shepperd's Dell. It's the end of the little trail that leads to the upper part of the waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall. And it's actually very long because just down that way down, it goes way down. I'll show you that in a second. So it's a beautiful day here in the Columbia River Gorge in April 2024. So, the beautiful waterfall and the big plunge. And there's the bridge that you go across to get here if you're coming from the west. Out to the right is the east. So we'll take another look at the waterfall. That's where it goes down, and it does go down. So let's go up the little trail and get some other looks at the waterfall. And you can see the banister going up there to the top to where it meets the bridge. And we're going to go do that. And we'll pan around. Just to see, this is the little cave trail down to the upper part of the falls. And let's go here. There's the bridge. Gives you an idea of the drop of the water. And here's another view of the waterfall. And the area we came from. Alright. Go back up a bit. And the waterfall. And the viewing area. See, it is a long waterfall, and you just see the upper part of it from the viewing area. And back up. And another view of the waterfall. In the viewing area. And back up the stairs. And to the sign that says Shepperd's Dell. And the big rock in the distance that kind of marks it for me. You know, that big rock is always near it. And my car.